All right, some breaking news earlier this hour. It is pretty shocking. Walmart CEO Doug McMillon announcing that he will retire. John Furner is going to be taking over as CEO on February 1st. Joining us right now is Stacey Widlitz. She is with SW Retail Advisors. And Stacey, the market sold off on this news. Right now, Walmart shares off by 2.75%. Doug's been a stalwart. He has really led that company to impressive levels, not only in the market cap, but also with what he's done in terms of diversifying what they're doing. What do you think this means? What do you think of John Furner?
Becky, you said it all. He's done such an amazing job with this company over years, and it is a big surprise this morning that he is retiring. But I think, looking at the stock, I think this is an opportunity here. You look at John Furner. I mean, he's been running the U.S. business. He's not a stranger to this. The U.S. business is 70% of the business. You look at the opportunity at Walmart and say, who is actually growing traffic and ticket? It's Walmart and it's TJX. It's those two. They're gaining the higher, income consumer that continues. So it's a share shift in the way the higher end consumer shops. It's an advertising dollar story, which is all profit here. So I'm looking at the stock saying, yes, there's a change. It's a surprise. It's a shock, actually. But we have somebody already positioned who is already running the business and who's already largely responsible for the success of the U.S. business.
Yeah, John Furner has been there for 32 years at Walmart, but he's only 51 years old. The explanation from the company is that they would like to see him have the same long runway that Doug McMillon has had. He's been there 14 years. He's only 59 years old. And by the way, he's going to be staying on the board as an advisor, but only until the company's next annual meeting. That's in June of next year, early June. Yes,
so that's a quick transition period. And again, as you say, he is very young. So, of course, the market is saying, what are we missing? What are we not seeing here? What's behind the scenes? But again, you look at what Walmart's business continues to do, up mid-single digits here, the advertising business, and again, somebody who's already there at the helm, who's been working side by side with Doug, who is largely responsible for the success of this business. So again, I'm looking at the sell-off and saying, you can put more money to work here.
What's the biggest risk in your view?
The biggest risk is the economy and a consumer slowdown. But again, I think, you look at the competition, you look at what Target's doing. I was in their stores all week. They don't look any better. That share continues to walk out the door into Walmart. Kohl's share continues to walk out the door in Walmart. So even if the consumer comes in, let's face it, they're gaining share. And also they are the ones that have the power to push back on the vendors and say, this is what we're paying you. They have the ability to keep prices low more than anybody in the market. So again, they're always going to have the best deals. And as inflation continues to be volatile with tariffs, they're the ones they have the power to offer the best deals in the market. So it's a market share story, even if the consumer does come in.